Today, we're creating that iconic RGB split or glitchy distortion look using the chromatic aberration effect. Start by dragging your video onto the timeline and selecting the clip. Now, look to the right side panel and click on the Effects tab. Scroll down or use the search bar to find chromatic aberration. Once you see it, just click on it to apply. Clipchamp makes it super easy, no dragging needed. Now let's dial in the look. Under the effect settings, you'll see the effect intensity slider. Push it up for a more dramatic RGB split. Pull it down for a more subtle color shift. This is perfect for music videos, sci-fi content, or adding a modern digital glitch vibe. And that's it. You've just added a stylized RGB split look in Clipchamp using the chromatic aberration effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, share it with your fellow creators, and don't forget to subscribe for more Clipchamp tips.